There are 4 different types of characteristics of muscles: excitability, contractibility, elasticity, and extensibility. Excitability is where your muscles respond to a force that's happening on the outside. For example, if you touch a hot pan, your muscles move away. This is controlled by electrochemical impulses. These electrochemical impulses travel along nerves to help the muscles contract as a response to the outside force. The second type is contractibility. Contractibility is the fact that your muscles can only relax and contract. They cannot push. They are only able to pull, which is what happens when they contract. The way in which your muscles contract is through tension of the muscle, which helps to pull it. Number 3 is elasticity. This is how and when your muscles go back to their original shape after being contracted. When your muscle contracts, it creates tension, and for example, in your leg, if you're squatting and your quadricep is contracting, then when you stop squatting, it can go back to its original shape, shows the elasticity of it. Extensibility is how much the muscle can stretch beyond its normal resting length as far. For example, an antagonist in the leg, when the knee is creating a flexion of the hinge joint, the quadriceps will be pulled by the hamstrings. This shows quadriceps extensibility.